YouTube content creation has never been more exciting. Thanks to AI tools, it's never been easier to create thriving channels without ever showing your face. In 2025, faceless AI-powered channels are redefining the game, making it easier than ever to generate revenue while leveraging cutting-edge tools. Today, we're exploring 5 specific, profitable niches perfect for faceless channels. Let's dive in. First, let's look at what makes a good niche. Not all YouTube niches are created equal, especially when you're using AI. High CPM, or cost per million views, niches are critical for maximizing your revenue, and they often overlap with topics like finance, technology, or storytelling. A great niche is evergreen, has consistent demand, and aligns with AI's strengths, such as automating scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. Additionally, good niches often have clear monetization opportunities beyond ad revenue, such as affiliate marketing, merchandise, or sponsored content. Targeting an audience with high purchasing power, like professionals or hobbyists passionate about a particular topic, can also significantly boost your channel's profitability. When evaluating a niche, consider trends and competition. Emerging topics with limited competition can offer faster growth, but can be risky for several reasons, while established niches require a unique angle to stand out. Anytime I'm looking into a new niche, the first step I'll take is to use vidIQ's keyword tool to examine the difficulty and availability of video topics. My second step is to use some of those keywords in YouTube to look for competitors. I want to find a few videos with a good number of views, but not too many. There is definitely a sweet spot here. Lastly, I want to consider which AI tools I'll use to improve on the competition videos, optimize production output, and produce videos quickly. Finding the perfect niche is part art, part science. Spending a few hours researching different niches can really speed up your path to success on YouTube. Now, let's get into the 5 niches. 1. Vintage Hollywood and pop culture. Why it works. Nostalgia is a powerful driver, and vintage Hollywood content attracts a dedicated audience. From revisiting classic movies to uncovering celebrity scandals, this niche offers a unique blend of evergreen and pop culture. AI tools like InVideo or Flicky can help you quickly gather stock footage. Then you can mix in AI-generated images to fill in the gaps. Channels like Ms. Mojo have shown that even with simple editing and a voiceover over B-roll footage, this niche can pull millions of views monthly, translating into impressive ad revenue. This channel does have over 8,000 videos and was started almost 10 years ago. But it has racked up 5.5 million subscribers and over 3 billion views. Looking at Social Blade, this channel is estimated to make as much as $100,000 per month just from ad revenue. Considering how easy these videos are, this is an amazing potential for revenue. 2. Political documentaries. Political documentaries explore complex and often controversial topics that spark engagement and debates among viewers. There aren't too many kids or younger people interested in this niche, so it tends to attract an audience with higher purchasing power, including professionals and enthusiasts who value in-depth storytelling. Despite being high risk, this niche benefits from high CPM and a loyal viewer base. AI tools can assist with thorough research, script writing, and creating dynamic visuals that bring political history or current events to life. The People Profiles channel showcases political figures throughout history, but you could easily narrow this down to a topic like US presidents. Looking at Social Blade, this channel makes as much as $19,000 per month from these biographies. 3rd, business documentaries and case studies. Storytelling about major companies and entrepreneurs attracts a wide audience, including aspiring business professionals and casual viewers. This niche overlaps with finance, ensuring higher CPM. AI can assist in researching and scripting documentaries, as well as producing engaging visuals. Think out of the box on this one, because there are a ton of niches here that no one has explored. Channels like Mighty Machines uses B-roll footage of some of the biggest and most powerful machines on the planet with an AI voiceover describing them. They have racked up almost 50 million views. According to Social Blade, this channel brings in over $3,500 a month from AdSense. While this doesn't seem like a lot compared to the first two channels we looked at, there are a ton of unexplored, interesting sub-niches in this category that would be really easy to rank and take advantage of. Fourth, anime-style self-improvement content. Combining self-help tips with anime visuals taps into two popular niches at once. This fresh approach appeals to younger audiences who value both personal growth and engaging visuals. Statue of Wisdom is a channel that is completely done with AI. This channel focuses on samurai culture, and one person, Miyamoto Musashi especially. The images are mostly AI-generated. The scripts seem mostly, if not completely, AI-generated, and it uses an AI voiceover. The channel was started in 2010, but they didn't publish their first video until about a year and a half ago. In that time, they've racked up 213,000 subscribers and 12 million views. Social Blade estimates this channel brings in almost 3,000 a month. The RPM in this niche is a little lower than many others, but the views, and thus the money, is obviously there. Now, before we get to the last niche, I have a much larger list of niches in my free community for AI content enthusiasts. If none of these spark your interest, jump over there to get even more ideas. Okay, 5. Horror and mystery stories. Audiences love chilling tales and unsolved mysteries, making this niche perfect for sustained engagement. Horror channels often enjoy strong CPM due to their broad demographic appeal. Channels like Mr. Nightmare. This channel uses old and very low-quality animations, combined with some B-roll to absolutely crush it. It would be really easy to improve the visuals with AI-generated images and video. Add an old, raspy voiceover from 11 Labs and improve the quality of this proven niche. Why? Because this channel has almost 6.7 million subscribers and over 1 billion views. Monthly, this channel brings in as much as 60,000. There are a few very big channels in this niche, and not too many smaller ones. As long as you make sure your quality is better than what is currently being produced, this should be a profitable, beginner-friendly niche. Faceless AI channels offer endless possibilities for creators willing to innovate. While these 5 niches are all very interesting and great choices for 2025, they won't be a great fit for everyone. Feel free to join the community. I mentioned earlier, for more ideas, tool recommendations, and tips on AI content creation, pair a good niche with AI's automation capabilities, and you'll be well on your way to success. The future is faceless, and the opportunity is yours.